Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys step by step how to make money on Binance Arbitrage opportunity. In this step you have to be fast, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video to be able to understand what I'm talking about. So don't just conclude that you don't understand. If you don't understand, you can rewatch the video. First thing you need to do is make sure you verify your Binance account. You should this verify. After that, you need to come to your P2P Trading. You can find this at the right side of your home page, this dashboard, P2P. First thing you need to do is you want to buy BUSDT or USDT. You need to press this BUSDT 780.90 or this. So around this time there is this USDT is cheap, so you need to buy this USDT. Pressing buy. We are using 500,000 to make illustration on this video. You just need to press 500,000. After pressing 500,000, we are going to receive 646.1 cents. Note that that's how much we are going to receive if we take order to buy 500,000 worth of USDC. After doing this, there is change in price. I think this guy is not selling again. I'm going to go back. I'm going to reload the page. To make it easy, I'm going to press the filter. Then I'm going to press 500,000. Then confirm. After doing this, it's going to give you it's going to bring people that want to sell their USDT at this range. What you need to do is press buy. After pressing buy, just press the amount you want to buy with 500,000. At this trade, we are going to receive 645.41 cents dollar, like USDT. After you press buy, then you purchase this USDT with 500,000. You need to go back, then go back again. Come to this P2P. Come to this wallet. I did this down wallet. Then go to this funding. Then use this function to transfer your funding, your USDT. You need to search for USDT. You will find this dollar and this USDT you bought. Then you press max. You need to transfer this money to your spot wallet. After doing this, you are going to press confirm. After you confirm the transfer, you will get this money over here. You will receive this USDT you sell. You transfer from funding. You just buy to USD to spot wallet. After doing that, just press BTC. After pressing BTC, it's going to bring Bitcoin out. Then press the first option. Then if it doesn't give you the option to trade, go to home page. Then press this search button. You don't need to search. You will find this here. Press this BUSDT with BTC USDT. After getting here, you need to use this button, this green one, buy. You press. Remember, we bought with 500,000. We bought our 500,000 worth of 645.41 USDT. So you need to fast. Remember, you need to buy this at this market immediately. You press market, then you just insert the money you have in your account. I just want to use this limited to know how much I'm getting. 5.645.41 cents. I'm going to receive 0.03138 worth of BTC. After doing this, I'm going to select this, then copy. After copying this, you buy this BTC, then you will have the BTC in your spot wallet. After having this BTC in your spot wallet, you will just come back to this wallet again. Then you need to use transfer mode the way you did the other time. Transfer this to funding. You will use this max, then press confirm. It's going to transfer the money to P2P. After doing this, you just need to press P2P. Then you will need to come here, BTC. Then use this sell option, BTC sell option. So if you want to, if you don't want to be rushed, you don't want to fast on this trade, you can create order to sell at the preference price you want to sell this. But if you want to sell to this guy over here, then it's better you create your own order for you to be able to sell in good price. After doing that, you need to create sell order, you too also. After creating sell order, anybody that want to buy from you, you make sure you put your own 601612151. So for you to be able to be higher than this guy in good rate. So if you create your own and sell order, it's going to bring it here as buy order for someone that won't need USDT. So that person is going to buy from you, but you are selling. It's going to bring your order here. Mind you, these people over here, they are willing to buy. So this order buy. So these people that has this sell order is going to show to other people as buy from them. So go back. So let's take for instance, you have created your order, then you are the guy at this number 1 here. Make sure you make this a good price. I'm just going to check this guy out. Press, then crypto. You remember we bought 0.03138 worth of USDT on marketplace, BTC on marketplace. Now if you want to sell it to this guy, now you are selling this to this guy at 509,113 naira. So mind you, on this trade you are making a profit of 9,113 naira. If you don't understand this video, then you can rewind back to check this step by step how I arrive at this point. Then if you are getting value in this video, kindly press the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'm going to be giving you guys good quality video on this channel. Then let me go to the calculator. If you remember, we bought 500,000 worth of USDT at 648.41. That's how much USDT we got when we purchased this with 500,000. After doing this, then we went to we transferred this to marketplace to buy BTC with this money. Then we get 0.03138 worth of BTC. After getting this, then we transfer this fund to P2P again to sell. Then after transferring this to P2P again, then we set this again, then we receive 509,113. Now on this trade, we make a profit of, if you remember, we started with 500,000. We make a profit of 9,113 naira. Mind, if you want to do this kind of trade, you need to be fast. So for you to be able to grab the opportunity, you need to be watching your phone, your Binance time to time, for you to be able to make this kind of money. If you are getting value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 99 people that watch my video on my channel are not a subscriber, so subscribe to the channel and turn off the notification bell. Thank you for your time.